Squash cakes with cheese and fresh herbs. To make this recipe, you will need summer squash. You can use yellow or zucchini, shallot and garlic if desired, fresh herbs such as oregano, cilantro, and basil, eggs, breadcrumbs, cheese such as cheddar or feta, butter or olive oil, and seasonings. For serving, you'll want salsa and sour cream. The first step is to slice the squash, chop the herbs, and slice the shallots. Next, you want to heat about a tablespoon of butter or oil in a large, wide skillet and saute the shallot until it softens and begins to turn golden brown. Next, add all of the squash and season the squash with about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. If you're using the garlic, add it now. If the mixture seems a little dry, add another tablespoon of oil or butter and stir to combine, and then cook, turning the squash every few minutes until it's golden brown on the edges and most of the liquid has evaporated out of it. Add a few pinches of the herbs and keep cooking. You'll notice that the squash is greatly reduced and there's very little moisture left in the pan. Set the squash aside. In a mixing bowl, combine the eggs, breadcrumbs, remaining herbs, and cheese, and mix with a whisk. Then add your cooked squash and season with black pepper and cumin if desired. Mix well. And in the same skillet used to cook the squash, just wipe it clean with a paper towel, melt another tablespoon or so of butter or oil, and cook the squash in small mounds, flattening each mound with a spatula or the back of a spoon until golden brown and slightly crispy on the edges. And repeat using all of the batter. You can make these as big or as small as you like. For appetizers, 2 to 4 tablespoons of batter is a good size. If you're serving these as a main dish, you could go as large as half a cup of batter per cake. And then serve with salsa and sour cream or yogurt. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and more videos, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.